new blog. That's in my video. I will talk you about my journey because right now and job ended and duty that's in journey by bus then journey then ended link route and right now after my finishing journey and stand up a link road shopping mall in the into the stand. So with lining the link road is mostly link road is the most jams and traffic jam and it at link road bazaar. So because many vehicle then stand up and many and super shop and marketing or shopping mall and something around 10 to 15 with the ticket counter because due to Dhaka or Chittagong, any district where into going to any Sylhet or district Chittagong like Dhaka, and so many people and really needed and any situations or any purposes go to Chittagong or Dhaka. So most of the sales and ticket counter and salesmen and buy to and many people. By the way, on the right hand side, restaurants like restaurants is many is the salesmen because link route always people and most of the times and almost some suppose for example 24 hours is open and stations because Cox's Bazar town is most of the famous and people stations link road. So most of the time and open shopping malls and any needed medicines and restaurants. Summer is the hot day because sun's lightings and sport in our body. The time 2 p.m. o'clock right now and the shopping malls as an SK shopping malls 18-hour clothes like then it is shoes in our body perfume any all for examples all needed in super marketing these shopping malls available any pupils anytime and go to then buying and any needed shopping malls. By the way, on the right hand side is a pharmacy is most of the time needed because immediately purposes any people then buying to medicines because medicines in our every time and needed with besides then a bike is also the popular in our gentlemen because gentlemen that is bike and importance and anytime any situation and running by a journey this is bike. The bike is a gentleman and young popular this famous vehicle because mini vehicle and immediately purposes going to come to from any needed and anywhere places and immediately short time days and solve this problem or any purpose journey. Bike is another people is important that and safety journey by bike but with when journey time and most of the importance things like the helmets of the main focus this by the journey time for with bike because helmets in our body or our head all body this is helmet this safety things so by the way and another places right now and I will go my walking and going on when I see this is a vehicle like CNG is most of our things and any important needed at short time short destinations immediately purposes. By the way it's on him besides this is it's a vehicle right now the mini super shops this banana and banana in our needed or in our healthy most important fruits like banana is a yellow banana is a great banana and in our body this is important for healthy good healthy but water when I see municipal shop and water and fresh water like many company make these waters like this company names mom consent so yes this company this water like this mom or plant company and water so 110 things this input fresh air fresh water by the way it's right now and besides this ambulance these importance or purpose immediate purposes like this when people and immediately situations like medicines or health problem issues and immediate purposes and immediate journey by vehicle ambulance and short times and destinations like hospitals and another good hospital this another hospital this immediately purposes ambulance so ambulance in our people and needed and journey by safety vehicle like ambulance into these oxygens any patients and immediate needed oxygen this is oxygen supported so this I walking and when see talking about this by bus where go to many journey by the way tata next video coming soon.